Eric Blackmon Music.
Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the chords to the Monkees TV show theme song. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And let's take a quick look at the chords. A minor, played the traditional way. We'll need an F played this way. This is an F that is popular with electric guitar players because it's light and it requires only a few notes. F, A, C, and high F. Nice and bright. A D7 chord formed this way. And our traditional G chord. We'll also need an A and a B chord. For our B chord, we'll need to hold down the A string, fret 2, and bar, fret 4. As far as the D string, G string, and B string are concerned, we don't need the high E, but that's our B major chord right there. We'll need a C, we'll also need a D chord, and we can strum that D chord from the A string down or the D string down, whichever one we like. And that about covers it for the chords. Let's look at the verse and how we're going to be playing the verse. It's going to sound like this.
Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet.
Here's how we'll play the chords for the verses. We'll start with an A minor chord strumming from the A string. We'll go to an F chord strumming from the D string, a D7 chord strumming from the D string, and then a G chord strumming from the low E. Next, we'll go to the chorus, and the chorus will sound like this.
Monkees, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down.
For the chorus, we'll play a C chord and we'll strum it straight down like that, doing down strums. C chord, F, then G, C, F, G, C, F, G, then A. So it's going to sound like this. C, F, G, C, F, G, C, F, G, A. And then we'll repeat the verse. Now we've got a modulation, or we're going to change key in the song, and it's going to sound like this.
We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch, sing and play. We're the young generation. We've got something to say.
For that modulation, we're going to do a D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G, A, and a B bar chord to end it. And basically, that's all we'll have to learn in order to play the Monkees TV show theme on guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.